Welcome everyone, I'm Dr. Matt and this is my colleague Dr. Maz.
Today we're exploring how volcanoes, these incredible forces of nature, can cool down the Earth's climate. But there's a twist. While volcanoes cool the planet temporarily, human activities are causing long-term warming. Let's dive in.
When we think of volcanoes, we picture lava and ash spewing everywhere. But did you know they also release gases like sulfur dioxide which can cool the earth? These gases form tiny particles that act like mirrors, bouncing sunlight back into space, which cools the planet.
Fun fact, a big volcanic eruption can send gases up to 20 miles above Earth.
Here's how it works. When volcanoes erupt, they release aerosols into the atmosphere which reflect sunlight. With less sunlight hitting the earth, the planet cools down for a while. Think of it as nature's sunblock. But volcanic gases like sulfur dioxide are different from the gases we emit through human activities. Volcanic gases cool the planet temporarily, while human-caused greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane cause long-term warming. According to the US Greenhouse Center data, human activities have increased carbon dioxide levels by 50% since the pre-industrial era, leading to significant warming.
Did you know volcanic aerosols can stay in the atmosphere for 1 to 3 years, keeping things cooler for a while?
Let's talk about Mount Pinatubo, one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in history. In 1999, it blasted 20 million tons of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. As a result, global temperatures dropped by 0.5 degrees Celsius for 2 years.
Cool stuff! NASA's satellites watched by the sulfur dioxide spread across the globe, tracking the cooling effect in real time. Imagine seeing climate change from space.
Speaking of space, NASA has an amazing fleet of satellites like MODIS and TOMS that keep an eye on volcanic eruptions. They track the gases and particles released, helping us understand how volcanoes affect the climate.
Fun fact, NASA satellites orbit the Earth at over 17 miles per hour, capturing data on volcanic activity and its impact on our planet.
Volcanoes cause temporary cooling by reflecting sunlight, but human activities are causing long-term warming. The US Greenhouse Gas Center data shows that the global carbon dioxide concentration reached 420 ppm in 2023, the highest in millions of years. While volcanic eruptions cool the earth for a few years, greenhouse gases stay in the atmosphere much longer, causing persistent warming.
Did you know while volcanic cooling lasts for a few years, human-caused warming can affect the planet for decades or even centuries?
Here's something cool. Volcanic ash can cause major problems for aeroplanes. In 2010, the Eyjafjallajökull volcano in Iceland erupted, daunting over 100,000 flights across Europe. The ash clouds were so dense that NASA satellites tracked them for weeks.
Did you know there are submarine volcanoes that erupt underwater? One of the most active is Kavachi in the Pacific Ocean. Sometimes these underwater eruptions send steam, ash, and debris above the ocean surface, which can impact planes and ships.
Now here's the best part. You can explore NASA's data yourself. By visiting NASA's Earth Data portal, you can track volcanic eruptions, look up sulfur dioxide levels, and even see where ash clouds are heading. Plus, the US Greenhouse Gas Center offers open source data on greenhouse gas emissions, so you can see how human-caused gases are warming the planet. So, what can we learn from volcanoes? They show us how sensitive the Earth's climate is. Even though volcanic cooling is temporary, it highlights how small changes in the atmosphere can have a huge effect. The US Greenhouse Center shows us that the buildup of gases like carbon dioxide from human activities has a much more lasting impact on the climate.
As we come to the end of this journey, we've seen how volcanoes do more than erupt. They shape our climate and teach us valuable lessons about Earth's climate system. Through NASA's data, we can better understand these processes and compare them to the long-term impact of human activities on our planet. Let's take what we've learned about volcanic cooling and human-caused warming and apply it in our everyday actions. The data and tools are available. Now it's up to us to make informed decisions that help protect our planet.
Thank you for joining us on this exploration of volcanic climate coolers. Let's continue working together for a more sustainable future.